Hello, my name is Leaf. I'm one of the many contributors to the Mesh open source organization. You know us as an organization that has provided tons of value for developers in the Cardano ecosystem and has delivered on our past promises. Our proposals for Catalyst Fund 14 are some of our most impactful projects yet. I'll give you a quick summary of the proposals and how each one will be adding value to the Cardano ecosystem. First, and arguably the most impactful of our 5 proposals this fund, is the new product called Mesh UTXOs. This piece of tooling is here to make user onboarding to dApps in the Cardano ecosystem as simple as signing in with a social login provider. Other ecosystems have tools like Privy and Fireblocks, but Cardano doesn't have an equivalent. The core piece of tooling here is a non-custodial social login wallet to integrate seamlessly with Cardano dApps. This funding is to accelerate development speed, pay for integration costs such as fiat on-ramps, and collaboration with our partners. Now, for the next proposal. We're happy that Mesh is going multi-chain, and we're investing time into building Midnight tooling. This proposal will have our specialized Midnight developer building completely open source Midnight full stack examples so the community can quickly learn about Midnight dApp development. Next, a new LLM tool called Mesh Mimer. Right now, AI developer tools don't have substantial amounts of Mesh SDK code in its training data, and this leads to tons of inaccuracies and hallucinations. This proposal will result in a suite of AI tooling to give AI native developers easier access to Mesh and Cardano development. Now, for 2 very important refactors of the Mesh core tooling. We've moved very quickly when building Mesh, and even though it's very robust, obviously it's not perfect. The team has evaluated we need to do major refactors to the Mesh wallet package in order to accommodate new use cases like Bitcoin DeFi. Similarly, the transaction builder class has some dependencies that can be removed and refactored, and we will take critical feedback of the current system into account when designing a refactored API system. Thank you so much for your continued support of the Mesh open source organization. We're very happy to be building alongside you in the Cardano ecosystem.